back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing us how to make this lovely ruffled ball dress. If you are coming across my channel for the very first time, thank you for stopping by, and I would like you to hit on the subscribe button and also turn on the post notification bell so that you're notified of every of my subsequent videos. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you for stopping by once again. Without further ado, let's get straight into today's business. So I'm working with the length of 13.5 and waist measurement of 23. So to cut my cupcake ruffle dress, the first thing I'll be doing is to cut my bridal doll face bridal satin in 180-degree flare. And to do that, what I'll do is to add 3 inches to my waist measurement. In this case, that's 23 plus 3 to give me 26 inches. Afterwards, I will divide this 26 by 3.14, and that's going to give me 8.28. After that, to get the required measurements that I'll need for my doll face, what I'll do is to add this waist circumference to my length. So that's 8.28 plus 13.5, and that's going to give me 21.7, and you can see approximately 22 inches. So in this video, I'd like us to pay rapt attention and do not skip any part of this video, because I promise that it needs to be as detailed as possible. So if you skip any part of this video, it might get you confused. So please just watch this video to the very end. Thank you. So here I have my doll face folded, and this is the way I folded it. I folded it at first this way. I got my 22 inches length, folded it in two like so, and afterwards I folded it this way of 8.2. So from this tip, take it 8.2 round. Afterwards, I'll cut my required length. In this case, I'm working with 13.5. So this 13.5. So this is what it looks like after cutting it out. I hope you can see it. So next thing I'll do is to so from this waist circumference, I'll mark 1.5 inches round, like so. After that, what I'll do next is to mark 2 inches intervals till I get the length of this fabric. So in this case, 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches. So I'll mark it round. So after marking each of the lines, from the zip from this side, I will mark 1.5 inches for zip allowance. For my lining, I'm also going to cut it in 180-degree flare. It's the same way I cut the doll face. I'll make sure that the length is shorter so that the line does not come out of the dress. So I'll subtract about 1.5 or 2 inches, anyone I want. So guys, I want to cut my net. So I'm marking 3.5 inches at intervals all through the length of this net. So this is the net that I cut out in 3.5 inches. So I took 3 pieces and joined them on a straight line like this. After which I'll gather it. Although in normal day I use 2 pieces of net for my ruffle dress or cupcake dress. I just wanted to experiment and see what using 3 pieces of net will look like. I don't want to see if there's going to be any difference or it's going to be the same. So that's why I'm using 3 pieces. You can use 2 pieces in your own case. So I'm going to gather it like so. I've gathered this one already. So after gathering, this is what my net looks like. So I'll go ahead to attach it on the marked point I made earlier. So this is what my cupcake ruffled ball dress looks like after attaching my gathered net to each layer, to each of the marked layer of the marked lines I made earlier. This is what it looks like. This is what the wrong side looks like. After joining my upper bodice to lower bodice. The next thing is to attach the zip. So I always advise to use a very strong zip, something like this. So using the zip allowance I left earlier, which is 1.5 inches, all I just need to do is to open my zip this way and place this like so. Place it like so. So I'll measure 1.5 from the waist here, just to be sure that my zip is on the 1.5 inches line. I also pin it. It is very good that you secure your zip with pin so that it doesn't shake, because these dresses are quite thick, they're not like normal dresses. So to know where my zip is going to stop, I'll measure about 5 to 6 inches from the waistline. So I'm using 6 inches here. From 6 inches, I take my 1.5 inches. So that means my zip is going to be on this line. That's been done. I'll take it to my sewing machine and stitch it slowly and carefully. So I'll mark this waistline, marked on the other side, and also where my zip stops here. Connect on the other side. So I'll take the measurements 6 inches from the waistline. Take 1.5 inches for zip allowance. what it looks like. So I'm going to finish up the zip as well, like so. So I'm going to seam it close to this initial line I did, initial stitch line. So I'll close up the neckline. So I'll do the same for the second side. Finish up this part. Now with this, I'm going to join it together like so and sew it down with 1/2 inch, 1.5 inch sewing allowance, as I left for the zip initially. I'll do the same from the lining. I'll close up with 1.5 inches. Dress is ready.